The key element of a content brief is the outline or heading structure. And with thruuu, you have a great outline editor that lets you create great heading structure for your content brief. So I won't cover the complete content brief today in this video. There is other videos showing how to create a content brief from A to Z. Today we really focus on the outline element, so let's click on the outline element, and from this element you can basically start creating your headings structure. So click on open the outline editor, and the first tab will display here your competitor's heading, so you can quickly have a look at all of them and start picking some interesting headings. So I take this one, I take that one, I go here. So basically here you can start to do your shopping list. You can browse all your competitors and select the headings you like. Also, when you click on the headings tab, you will see the most frequent headings. So you have the H2, the H1. So again, here you can just continue to explore the most frequent headings. Same for the questions. You have also here all the PAA, so directly coming from the SERP, and you can just click on the PAA to build your heading structure. Also, you have on-page questions. So here are basically the most frequent questions found in the top 10 of Google on the article itself. And you can see what are the most frequent questions your competitors are using. So you can see like this, you can create a great outline. And basically then with this editor, you can also change the level of headings and add any kind of notes you want. As I said, thruuu is also leveraging AI to help you create content outline. So go on the AI outline tab, or you can also start from generate button here. So if you click on the generate button, you will see a pop-up window, and here you have two options to generate your outline. So you can either select from the keyword, so basically the AI will just use the target keyword as an input information, or you can as well click here from competitors, so the AI will be aware of the SERP data, of the real-time SERP data, to basically generate a heading structure. I won't explain in this video the different article types. There will be another video here that you can access, where I explain how to create a specific type for your outline. But let's stay simple for this one. So here you can just click on from competitors, you select the default type, and then click on generate. And now what you can see here is that basically a heading structure. So as I said, AI is analyzing the SERP and then providing you what is a good heading structure. And then what you can do, you can basically replace it. And now you can see you have here your heading structure generated by AI. And my recommendation would be then to go and finalize it by looking at your competitor to fine-tune your heading structure. What you can see as well, you can generate many AI outlines. So you can click again on generate, and let's just take another type. You have default type, so these 5 or 6 first type are the default ones. So let's click on how to guide, and now you will see that the structure is a bit different. So it starts with some definition, then it includes some steps, and finally some types. So you can see that the structure is not exactly the same. So let's say we prefer this one. I will click on replace, and here we go. We have now a new heading structure. And as I said, the one we generated previously is still here, so you can still access the previous one and maybe pick some headings that you think were good. So you can see it's quite powerful here. You can basically analyze, create outline based on your competitor. The AI will, let's say, help you to not start from scratch. Also, you can force or give some context to the AI to provide a type for your article. So how to guide, ultimate guide, case study, etc., etc. And as I said, you can create your own type, and I will show you that in another video. You can just click here and you will have access to this other video where I explain how to create this outline prompt. Another advanced feature of the outline generator of thruuu is that, let's go on the competitor. Here you can see that you can also disable some pages. So this is also quite interesting because, as I said, when you generate an outline based on AI, it will basically analyze the SERP. Basically, it will analyze the competitor that are, or the pages that are listed here. So what you can do, you can disable some page. So here it's disabled. So basically now when I generate again an outline based on AI, the AI won't use the data from this page. So like this, you can basically fine tune a bit more the result of the AI generated outline. And also you can add any page. So here you can enter an URL and basically, let's just grab a random article. Yeah, let me, okay. This is one is in French, but it will work the same. You can enter here an URL, and so thruuu is analyzing this page, and here you can see now we have the structure of this page. So you can see here it's added. So this is basically now the one you added. Obviously, you should stay in the same topic here. This is not really a good example that I'm sharing with you, but you get the point. You can add new pages, and basically then the AI will use the data from these new pages plus the one from the SERP that are still available to basically generate this the outline. All right. You can also hide the disable if you don't want to be, let's say, disturbed by the one that are disabled. Also, from the main interface, you can also edit pages, so it's the same feature. Here you can see you have the one that I added. I can also delete it, so then it's removed, and you can see all the pages that are enabled and disabled. So you can, from here, define, let's say I don't want to have Wikipedia, I don't want to have Reddit as well, so you can basically disable the page that you don't like and add new pages, okay? So here you go, we cover the main feature of the outline generator. So I just quickly repeat. So browse all your competitor from here, browse all the most important headings, the most important questions, generate AI outline from here, generate as much AI outline you like, they will be saved here. You can as well rephrase at the end, you can rephrase the heading. So here it will just make a rephrase if you want just to have to keep the same structure but just with different words. You can do that by clicking on the rephrase actions. So here you go. Now you know everything about the outline editor of thruuu, and it's your turn to create a comprehensive heading structure to share with the writer and then create great content.